starting this learning journey target for the Roblox the game programming. But first, a series of the video we will discuss about the learning of Lua programming. This language is a scripting language, and for this first video is based on the book Programming in Lua, which we will elaborate these 4 parts in more detail later. But this first video we will install and make Lua working first in your the operating system. I will demo on this on Windows 11 on my PC, but you can also configure that in the running on the other the operating system like Mac or Linux. So that will be the different the installation parts, but I will discuss and share with you some of the tricky parts to make that working, and also to see to make how your this the integrated development the environment to work. My recommendation is use Visual Studio Code, but you need to configure some plugin. So let's continue start for this one. So first we can go to the Lua org. So that is the I will stop this later on, and I put my download. So I will put this file manager here just for demo purpose. So if you go to the Lua org in the left, you can directly go to the download. Latest version for today, the September 17, 2023. Is a 5.4 major release and .6. So go to download. You can see if you want to make that work on the from this source file, that is easier. And you can also build and through this event source and make this into working in your program language. But for my Windows, I skip this way. I will go to the binary, and from here is go to the Lua binary. It's in the source forge.net, and go to the second from bottom, download. You can see here. So the latest binary is not 546, it's a 542, but it's working enough. So depends on your Windows. If you're Windows 7, but I hope not, you still can have the Windows 32-bit this binary, but I will use this Windows 64. You can also have Mac OS, Linux with this built binary package. So I download this. So you click that, it will be downloaded. In the left, you see I already download that. So once you have that, is just right click and extract all. Then just extract here. Then you get a folder. It's here. So we can try to make some test first. So if you go to your command, go to cd with this folder. So yeah, so I have the double. So now you can use dir. You see here. So first is you can use this the interpreting way. So if you key in Lua 54, you go to this Lua. So that means if you have, you can see that. That means your Lua is working on your PC. So let's use one sentence. Print hello world. Just enter. So you don't need to have this semicolon, and you ignore this space. So even you can put like it's here. No issue. But if you want to have a better the readable, so just no space. So with those is working for now. So in Windows, you can use Control+Z to exit to your command. Let's also make our just our sample file. So let me go to Notepad and make this print hello world from file. So let me save this, save as to download to this folder. Just hello dot. You need to use this Lure extension and select all. So that means without any IDE, you can working with Lure. So that's very easy. So DR, you have your hello Lure. So you can use this way, Lure 54 hello Lure. So you get this hello world from file. But if you keep working this in this download folder, is not this convenient. So what I will do is I will move this to the program file, and then this we indicate this file in the path of the Windows. Then you can use. We will try to use our Visual Studio to work with this Lure part. So first is let's do this. Let me put this in the right, and then this is just our repository. So I have this file. So I also have the Lure. Let's see. So I have some basic file. So Lure. Let's say this is in VS Code. So let's just prepare this to ensure we can have that. But first, if you want to run this file in the your Visual Studio, you need to have this code runner. So I just remove that, try to demo to you. So search from the extensions and get this the extension. So code is a code runner. Several others you can try, but I try this first. And if you install, it will have this execution, the signal. So you come to here, then you click. You will get. If you don't have any configuration, you will get this arrow, so no worry. So this side is term Lure is not recognized as the name of our command because we haven't configured the path. So the Visual Studio Code doesn't know this how to find your exe file. So let's delete this file. Let me share you is the way. So I will copy this folder, go to C drive. You can go to program file directly and paste. So cannot be complete folder in is used. So used means let me see. So which one is use this folder? I hope it's no use, no any usage. Then let's back here and continue. Okay, so I just close this command window. But this is too long, so let's just rename this to Lure. And also, I will rename the exe file to Lure. But remember, please do not rename this 54. I will demo to you for that. So just I want to ensure I just go to the Lure, the exe. But if you, let's see if I want to rename this as well. So let's see, because it's a binary. So, but if you run here, you still get this. You get this arrow. Nothing coming from the here. And if you come to here, so let be. If I come to here, there. So I want to run Lure. So you will get the system error. The execution cannot process because there is a DLL. So if you build your Lure from the source, you can control those source file, but they already the binary. So actually, you cannot change this DLL, but actually you can change this exe file. So if I run here, so you see here, hello world in VS Code. But I need to indicate something here. So first is try to go to your setting of your PC and add this folder into your system path. Go to the system about, then advanced system. If you have the administrator the permission, you can open this and go to environment variable, and in the system variable, double click. Then here I suggest you can add your C drive C here, program file, and the Lure. So you add this into the path. Then here, close. Let's just have a try. So you can see you don't need to go to the program file anymore. So that is in your the path, and we can test here. So you can use your command to run this. But I also want you to double check is in your runner the extension setting. So please ensure if you got still the running issue. So you can have this execute. I see. So the language we find is the extension. So ignore execute map by file extension. So let's see here. So we don't have those Lure extension, but if you have the issue, so that is one way is you can add like this way. So like here is Lure with file name with $. So you can add this one. So but if you don't need to add this, then that's fine. So that's it's just one tip is I want you to know if you have something is errors, you should be able to find out where. And also I will suggest this you go if you come to here. So I open another one that we will later on to have is already have these syntax highlights, but you can install some Lure the application support for Visual Studio. So for this second one, so if you install that, is you can get some more syntax support. But for us now is also already working. So for example, this try to calculate the factor of the number. So if you put in here, so you see system error. So you get this one. So we don't get this arrow, the step. So we will try to use this one. Do you see? Please input a number. If I input 6, that is times from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is just the factors definition. So this will show you is your Lua, the programming language is already working in the Windows PC. So I hope you can follow this to make your Lua the working first. Then from a later video, we will starting to learn from the part 1 of this programming in Lua. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Bye.